truth is, most video editors struggle with animation. So by the end of this video, I'll show you how to master the Apple UI editing style in After Effects and be able to create luxurious Apple animations in minutes. Alright, let's dive in. We're gonna toggle the keyframes for point of interest and position on the camera. We're first gonna change the view to the front, and then we're going to move the camera around here. But to make the camera smooth and going along the line, we're just gonna click on both of these and press on keyframe interpolation, set the spatial interpolation to Bezier. Next we're gonna animate the line. We're gonna add trim path. And finally, we're gonna animate the car going along the path. Go to the line and then open shape, path, and select this path icon which is next to the stopwatch. Copy it and then go to the car, press position and paste it. Now we want the car to rotate as it's going along the path. And then we're gonna set it to 90. We can also add a slight feather to this shape layer so it looks a bit nicer. And press this button so it adds a feather and doesn't create another shape. Now to animate the text, find an effect called slide up by character. Put it on the text. Change the position to around 80 and just adjust it so it fits the voiceover. And just change the rotation for these. And now we're nearly done with the animation, and all that's left is to add the text over here. And I just added this scene from the video previously. Now we're just gonna add an effect for this text, which is slide up by word. And we'll do the same thing we did previously. Just set this to around like 60 or 70. And just like that, we have finished the animation part of the first animation. Now moving on to the animation for the second scene. We're gonna start here and a keyframe for the scale. We'll move around 1 second. And then we're gonna toggle a keyframe for position and move it over here. We're gonna go to around second 3, move it up. Now we're gonna add the effects. So for here, the slide up by character, make it around 50. And just adjust it. And we're gonna add slide up by word to create text. And now we're gonna start making the keyframes more smooth. So to do that, we're gonna open the graph editor and go to the background layer here. Double click on scale, easy ease in. And then on position, we're gonna press easy ease for both of them. And just adjust the yellow handles. We're gonna take the slide up by word that is put here and add it to the luxurious animations text up. So we copy paste it. And we're gonna do the same thing for this text. Now we're gonna animate the weather icon. Send it the right over here, then open position and rotation. We're gonna keyframe both, then we're gonna send it over here, and going back we're gonna minus 180, and we're gonna keyframe them to make them smoother. Okay, now we're gonna go back and make the first animation just a little bit more smooth. So we're gonna put easy ease on here. Now that we're nearly done with the animation, all that's left is to add the glow effect and make them just look more polished and nicer overall. And also we can just quickly change the color of this text. Alright, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching if you made it this far, and let me know in the comments what video you would like to see next, and thanks for watching.